The project we're reviewing today is something that you have never seen in the industry. We're talking about iDeon. Their pre-sale is live, and as you can see, we have over $16 million that has been raised. And the question is, how come this amount has been raised? Surely they're doing something crazy. Surely they're developing something crazy. And that is what we're going to find out in this video and get more details of the pre-sale. We do have a decent amount of time before the pre-sale ends. It is going to end on 26th of February and the token will get listed on 27th. Now, what this project is, they have this AI bot that creates posts, or actually it posts on the X, on Twitter. Whoever tags this Twitter account, the bot learns the message that is attached to the tag. This is the Twitter page, the X page. And if I tag iDeon_AI and then write a message, it is going to learn from that message. It can also read links. It can also read possibly images. And it learns from the data that the community feeds it through their X profile. And that means that everything this bot learns is from what people wants it to learn. And so far it is very humorous. It makes posts on its own that are currently relevant. It accounts for the market sentiment. It shares memes. It also shares images, AI generated images. And sometimes the content is so humorous that it violates the terms of services of X. And because of that, actually, it has been banned, I think, 2 times. But even when it was banned, the sales in the pre-sale did not stop. So that's actually a very good sign. People are enjoying this. They're feeding information to this bot, and this bot is sharing tweets and memes that are, what can I say? I think it'll be better if you take a look at it for yourself. I won't be reading out some of these content because I'm pretty sure it's gonna get me banned on YouTube. So for instance, this one, and actually they have pasted some of these tweets in the official website as well. So you can give it a read right here and you'll understand what sort of bot is being created by this community. So people are absolutely loving this. And it also responds humorously to people's comments, to people's posts in which they tag it, which makes it even more funny. So this is, as you can see, a very unique concept, a very unique creation. People will have this sense that they have created this bot. Whatever the bot says, it has learned from the community. So it reflects the overall community behind this project, which is what's, I think, creating a connection between the community and the bot itself and eventually the project. So whatever they have done with the amount that they have raised in the pre-sale so far, it definitely shows that it's acting as a huge success. And since we have different stages in the pre-sale, that means every next stage will have a higher price. And the listing price will obviously be much higher than what's being offered in any of these stages. If we take a look at the white paper, we can get more details of these stages and the price that we are going to get in them. You'll definitely see the difference between each stage, and the listing price, like I said before, will be much higher than any of these stages. You can check out the cumulative gain depending on which stage you enter. You can see the percentage increase in price, which is 10% in each stage, and we have 15 stages in total. The next stage, for me, it is going to start on in 17 hours, and you can check out the price in the next stage. So this is where you can participate in the pre-sale. They have 2 options. First, you can connect your wallet and then you select a token and the amount and you approve the transaction. So it's a pretty straightforward method. The next one is you can send to the wallet address. So you can send to this wallet, this that we have right here. This is where you can send Solana, Sol. Don't send any other tokens. If you want to purchase in this pre-sale using Sol, this is the address that you need to send. Now, once the pre-sale is concluded, you will be able to redeem or claim your tokens. Now, this is the roadmap on what's coming next. And these are the tokenomics. We have 80% that is up for grabs in the pre-sale. We have 10% staking rewards. We will have staking coming soon. That is something that we can use to generate a passive income, generate interest and ROI. And they have allocated 10% for liquidity. Now, right now, the bot is on Twitter, but they do plan on launching a chatbot for the Telegram to boost interactivity. They're going to use Telegram user data to further enhance the database on which the AI relies on. They're going to implement AI-driven testing with blockchain data for reactive insights. They're going to initiate outreach for strategic partnerships to scale capabilities and reach. So they have a bunch of stuff planned for the future. But if we are to conclude this project, you can see it is a unique concept that have not been tried before, and people are absolutely loving this, which can be reflected in the price that has been raised in the pre-sale. And afterwards, when the token is listed, we can definitely expect some big exchange listings depending on how much they have raised here. I think exchanges will be keen on listing them. So if you're interested, make sure that you check all the links in the description. Start feeding some information to the chatbot and see how it responds. As always, nothing in this video was a financial or an investment advice. This is purely for educational purpose. So if you want to invest, make sure that you do your own investigation and research. And with this being said, I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned.